But guys, today I'm gonna try this on my cat, see if it actually works. The camera? Hi. Guys, we're gonna try this. She's scared. Guys, she doesn't love it, but maybe she likes it. I don't know if it's good for them, but yeah, the steam is not even high. It's just like, I don't know, coldish kind of. I don't think she likes it. I mean, some cats like it, some cats don't. I don't think she likes it. Her fur feels better. Feels a little bit wet. I think this is just water. Going normal like this, she gets scared. Now imagine if I went like this. Okay, but you turn it off when you're done. And shedding. So you click this button. But obviously there's not much. So, but look, see? You can see the shedding coming off. It takes off. Not all cats will like it, in my opinion. So, yeah. See you guys.